Hey guys, it's Murphy's Law. If it's not gonna happen, it's gonna happen. And there you go, it's raining. So I shot just earlier this morning when we're doing the strip footing, and now I've come back to site to check on the screw piers, which you could see here that's happening. They punching them all the way through. So screw piers are essentially just like concrete piers, it's just an alternative. And usually the alternatives are there for us to choose as the builders or the engineers, just depending on the site and what we're trying to achieve with the site. So what we've done here, as you can see, strip footing, as well as those screw piers getting punched through. I'll try and get you closer, but you'll see there from my images, they're putting them all the way through. So they're going, to a specific depth that's again designed by the structural engineers, and we just follow it through on site. And so there you go, there you've got it. So we've done the strip footing, you could see there, and we've done the screw piers. Obviously the screw piers, the machines are calibrated, we check all of that, we've got to make sure they go straight. And there's a whole heap of documentations when you use the right operators and to make sure that everything is being ticked and it's according to plan. So it's quite exciting. The rain is here, but there you've got it, strip footing, metal screw piers that's going on here. What's going to be next, and I'll update it in the next couple of videos, will be the steel mesh and then the concrete on top to follow. So see you on the next video.